Johnson Group has been proudly serving Hong Kong since 1947, providing the best cleaning and pest control solutions to household, commercial, and governmental clients. We use non-toxic and eco-friendly material to reduce pollutions, so as to ensure our services can truly protect you and your loved ones. Allergens such as bacteria, viruses, VOCs, dust mites are invisible to our eyes. Johnson Group is the expert in dealing with these invisible threats. With the help of natural cleaners and professional tools, we can achieve true cleanliness for our clients. Suffer from allergic reactions at home? It is because indoor air pollution could be worse than outdoors. Johnson Group's team of specialists are experienced and well-trained. Apart from general space disinfection, deep cleaning, we are also capable of cleaning fabric and leather furniture, air conditioners, vehicles, and more. A one-stop solution to improve your environmental hygiene. Apart from cleaning and sanitization, Johnson Group also provides natural and non-toxic protective coating services, including nano-coating, antimicrobial coating. We have got them all. Johnson Group services are designed specifically for people who suffer from allergies. Deep cleaning with natural and non-toxic material to make sure that you can enjoy yourself freely at home. However, threats like dust mites and volatile organic compounds are invisible and odorless. How do we identify and deal with them?
透過儀器嘅檢測同埋採本嘅化驗，我哋可以更科學、更客觀咁樣揾到問題嘅原因，令到我哋可以更準確咁樣制定施工嘅方案。現時我哋能夠提供嘅檢測服務都多元化㗎，由家具平面塵蟎嘅濃度檢測、細菌嘅鑑定，到空氣當中嘅採本分析甲醛同霉菌嘅濃度，我哋都可以一一做到，從而揾出客戶過敏嘅原因。其實使用天然嘅物料係好重要㗎。我相信如果有得揀嘅話咧，客戶係唔會選擇一啲有毒或者有害嘅物料應用喺佢哋屋企或者係工作嘅地方嘅。莊臣集團多年嚟積極去推動綠色嘅生活，鼓勵大眾使用純天然、無毒嘅物料，例如包括純天然嘅消毒液、清潔劑，甚至係除害劑，既可以保護到客戶嘅健康嘅同時，亦都可以減少對環境嘅污染。服務理念方面咧，我哋每一個客戶嘅需要同情況都唔一樣嘅。我哋同客戶嘅關係就好似醫生同病人一樣，秉承過去70多年嚟務實嘅服務理念。我哋透過專業嘅技術，結合咗科技、綠色嘅理念，我哋承諾為每一位嘅客戶提供最優質、最專業嘅服務體驗。將來我哋會積極同唔同嘅單位合作，緊貼市場嘅需要，提供最全面、最優質嘅致敏原檢測服務。
Johnson Group is founded by Mr. Paul So during the 1940s. Mr. So made his name by providing effective door-to-door termite control service. Nowadays, Johnson Group's pest control service is known for natural and non-toxic approach. Capable of handling any common pests, Johnson Group has earned a stellar reputation over the years. We also launched our own online shop, Green Store, providing cleaning and pest control DIY options and eco-lifestyle products. In 2018, Johnson Group launched the Save Local Bees Conservation Program to preserve honeybees with local beekeepers. We believe that exterminating bees is very damaging to our environment. Once we received reports of beehives found in the urban area, our team will collect the bee colony and relocate them to rural area so that they can continue living in the nature and maintaining our eco-balance. Johnson Group's business has been expanding over the years, including a branch in Taiwan. We are still working hard to find the most effective and eco-friendly environmental hygiene solutions for you and to bring you the latest eco products on Green Store. Go green with Johnson Group.